Fortunately for us, the Bhagavad Gita presents a technique called Karma Yoga. What is Karma Yoga? To be in yoga while you are doing your karma. So what is yoga? Yoga is union. It refers to the union of the individual consciousness with the supreme consciousness. When your mind is in divine consciousness, full of noble, sublime thoughts, imbued with love, kindness, generosity, tolerance, patience. So in such a state of mind, if you can do your works, that is the karma. While doing your daily duties, if you can be in yoga, that is karma yoga. So presently, we are pretty far away from that ideal. We do our works, everybody does. But while doing the works, we experience stress, anxiety, tension, anger, greed, frustration, hatred, envy. Amongst these, one of the most common nowadays is stress. This is a stressful period, era in human history. 150 years ago, roughly, the richest man in America and the world at that time was John Rockefeller. On a particular day, he had a decision to make. As the chairman of the Standard Oil Corporation in Houston, he had to sanction the movement of goods of the corporation from Houston to Chicago by railroad. The question before him was whether to insure them or not. Insurance would have cost him $150. Now, he was a billionaire, but $150 was stressing him out because of his inability to manage his mind. So he said, should I save the money and take the risk, or let the money go down the drain and lower the risk? He said, let's play the gamble. And saving on the insurance, he let the goods depart by train. Once the train left from Houston station, the news came that a storm had developed on the way. Now he panicked. What did I do? Penny wise and pound foolish. I will end up losing tens of thousands of dollars. He decided to use his clout with the insurance company. He arrived at their office and they had closed for the evening. He insisted that they come back and open the office. Since he was their number one customer, he made them give him the insurance policy. And at midnight, he walked out of the office with a sigh of relief. In the morning, he got the news that the train had reached Chicago station intact. The $150 had been wasted. Now that stressed him out so much that till 2 p.m. in the afternoon, he was pacing up and down his office room. That stress began to tell on his health day in and day out, until doctors warned him if he continued leading this kind of a life, he would not have more than 3 years to live. Rockefeller made a value-based decision. He instituted the Rockefeller Foundation that did tremendous charitable work around the world. With those changed thoughts, he continued to live for another 25 years. This story is from the 19th century. Today, we are in the 21st century, when life has speeded up beyond anybody's imagination. With WhatsApp and Skype and pagers and mobiles and instant messaging systems, until everybody is experiencing stress. So, the question then arises, how should we handle this stress? And that is why stress management has become a very talked of theme. What then is the root cause of stress? I went back to the Bhagavad Gita, and Lord Krishna had stated it 5,000 years ago. Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Arjun, do your duty. Put in your efforts to the best of your ability. Don't be lazy. Don't be careless. However, do not be attached to results. Aha! That was the epiphany moment. That is the science of work. Why do we become stressed? Not because we work hard, but because we become attached to outcomes. It is a misconception that hard work stresses you out. Knowing the eminent people out here, they are working, engaged in so many activities, and yet calm and peaceful from within. On the other hand, somebody may get stressed out managing one family consisting of the spouse and chunnu-munnu, and that itself stresses somebody out. So, all we need to understand is you don't need to give up work. You need to give up attachments to the results of your work. In fact, it is stress that impacts our effectivity. If you can work without any attachment to outcomes, your work quality will improve.